everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about my whiteboard activity with Miro. So students will start here. They will then be introduced to the activity, which is about life cycle of a frog. They are then instructed to look at this YouTube video. By clicking this link, they are brought here. This video will tell students about what the meaning of an amphibian is, and metamorphosis, and general overview of the life cycle of a frog. After that, they will come back here and they will apply what they have learned. They will answer questions like this and are asked to identify what this image is of. To answer this, they have to choose an emoji and place the emoji on the correct answer. The next question asks them to identify what an amphibian is, and to answer this question, they have to use the pen and circle the correct answer. From here, they are asked, what do we call a frog in the second stage of the life cycle? So here's a little hint in case they may have forgotten. They will use this star and they will answer the question. From there, they are asked to identify what we call this frog in this particular life stage. They will use a sticker from over here and answer the question. The next question asks them what is another name for the transformation a frog goes through during its life cycle. They will use this check mark to answer the question. From there, I also included a realistic video so students can see what this looks like in real life, and maybe they've seen it before in ponds and so forth. So they will click this link and I'll bring them to this video and they will see different videos and images of tadpoles, and even when they still have their little gills on the outside of their body up until they are fully grown frogs. After that, they will come back and there is a fun frog life cycle game that they can play. They can click the link, it'll bring them here. This is a drag and drop game, so they will read the question and find out which word fits into the question correctly. So a frog has a long sticky tongue. They'll add that in, get the points, and go back to the board. From here, they're almost done. I just asked that they use a sticky note to tell me one thing that they learned during this activity. After that, they've finished the activity and they are all done. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.